Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add fish eye effect on VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, in here you can add the photo or a video that you want to edit. And now after this you can click on the theme, and then at the theme you can swipe. At the menu you can swipe until you can see fashion. Click on it, and after this, in here you can see fish A, this one. Just click on the fish A, and now you just click on done in here and finish. So that's how to add fish eye effect on VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.